surge in daily COVID cases and hospitalizations makes it more likely that reopening tourism will not happen on September 1st. During his one-on-one interview with our Manolo Morales, the governor says he has not made a decision yet, but the state is clearly, he says, going in the wrong direction.
Part of the problem is for travelers being able to get tested and the results within 3 days before they leave. The governor says with so many cases on the mainland still, the solution to that problem is difficult. Reopening tourism would also require more hospital beds available here because the move would lead to more cases. And right now, the governor admits it just doesn't look good.
Based on the data that we see today, yes, it would make sense for us to look at deferring. You know, I just want to be monitoring and tracking the data. Yeah, obviously, if you look at the last 10 days, the number of cases are going in the wrong direction.
He says he will announce his decision within a week. He adds that setting up a travel bubble with Japan is still on the table, but with increasing cases there also, similar obstacles are in the way.
They have challenges in getting the numbers of tests as well. So, you know, we're working with them. You know, we are focused at moving as quickly as we can.
Ige says he's still pushing for that to happen before the end of the year. There is some good news in being able to catch people who violate the mandatory 14-day quarantine. The state started testing a digital platform that can track people through their phone.
The new digital platform will allow us to automatically ping the telephones and check up on individuals, make sure that they're at their quarantine locations.
Ige says the state should be able to roll it out by the end of the week. He adds that if cases don't start coming down by next week, more restrictions might be needed, possibly limiting gatherings to even fewer than 10 people. He says he would avoid a lockdown and instead focus on where clusters are forming.
I do believe that the strategic focus on enforcement, you know, as we've looked at bars that are violating the mayor's orders, looking at restaurants.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.